So I've connected my Hulkman battery charger up. I'm going to plug it in and turn it on. And then you activate the force start by pushing both of the buttons simultaneously. And then of course this comes up. So I'm going to go in and start the engine. There you go. I love it. That's a ready. It says ready when you want to do it, and I'm good. It took like 3% to start my car, which isn't bad. But I like this a lot. Really convenient to have. I'm going to keep it in my car, and just a really nice setup. I like it a lot. Highly recommended.